Integrate Dify with WhatsApp and Telegram to power AI chatbots in minutes. You'll need a Dify account, an API key, and developer access for WhatsApp and Telegram. Create a new project in Dify and enable external integrations in project settings. Copy your Dify API key from credentials and store it securely for later. In your WhatsApp provider console, set the webhook URL to the Dify webhook endpoint. For Telegram, register your bot token and set its webhook to the same Dify endpoint. Map incoming messages to Dify as post-webhook events and include sender IDs. In Dify integrations, add a webhook integration, paste the URL, and enable message events. Example command: curl h authorization bearer your underscore y v text :hello https://ap.diffy.ai/v1/messages. Send a test message from WhatsApp and watch the bot respond through Dify in real time. Send the same test from Telegram and verify responses and logs inside Diffy's dashboard. Try the live demo now at Dify to build smarter chatbots. Try the demo and get started.